Happy 4th of July, everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I have made some cute and delicious no-bake cheesecakes in a jar, and these are perfect for your 4th of July picnic or cookout, and they are very festive. They're red, white, and blue. Your family and friends are going to love these. So now let me go over the ingredients that you will need to make your no-bake cheesecake. So you will need one 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Now this has been sitting at room temperature so that it can soften. And then you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then you will need 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Now I crush these using my food processor, which just gives you a really nice fine texture to your graham cracker crumbs. And then 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And for the topping, I'm going to use some canned cherry pie filling and blueberry pie filling. This is going to give us our red, white, and blue. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my heavy cream into my KitchenAid mixer here. And I'm going to beat this heavy cream using my whisk attachment until I have nice stiff peaks. Now, if you do not have a KitchenAid, you can absolutely do this with a hand mixer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the whipped cream and add it to a separate bowl. So next I'm going to add my cream cheese into my mixing bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm going to put my whisk back onto my KitchenAid and I'm going to beat this cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. I am going to scrape down the sides of this bowl just to make sure that everything is nice and creamy and smooth, no lumps. And then I'm going to add the whipped cream into the mixer here. And now I'm going to whisk again. Check that out. Delicious cheesecake. Next, I'm going to add my butter to my graham cracker crumbs. So I'm using these cute little mason jars, and I'm going to take a little bit of this graham cracker mixture and just put some in the bottom of each of these jars. So I have this little press here, and I'm just going to simply pat it down. If you don't have one, that's no problem. You can find like the end of a wooden spoon or something and just tap it down. Now to fill my jars, I find it easier to place my filling in a Ziploc bag and then just kind of squirt it in. But you can just take a spoon and spoon it in if you want. This is just a tip. So I'm just going to put my filling in this Ziploc bag. So I'm just going to cut the corner off. And what's great about putting your cheesecake in these little mason jars is it makes it super easy to transport. All you've got to do is put on a lid and then just screw on a ring and seal it up. And then you could take this to any cookout or picnic and your friends and family will love you. Okay, it is that time for me to taste this cheesecake, and I'm going with the cherry because it is my favorite. That is delicious. Cheesecake in a jar. Okay, guys, I hope that you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy 4th of July, and I will see you soon with more recipes. All right, I can do this. I can do it. Man, I think I might have some bloopers on this one. I'm just saying. Very festive. They're red, white, and blue. I can't do this. I can't do it. So let me show you how to make them. I am a cherry girl.